Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, May 5th, and this is my recap of the top rated videos from Friday. And on Friday, gold versus the US dollar came in number 3rd, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see the full top-down analysis on gold from Friday morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So I actually think that we may have found at least a temporary bottom on gold. I personally think this is a wave 5, probably a wave A of 5, possibly a wave 1. Either way, I don't think it's that important. It really isn't proven that we are making a move to the upside, because so far it hasn't been able to break above structure and hold. I think it's more likely that it will go up and start breaking these two structures, and then it should be a correction to the whole move down on the daily. So the first move up should be a wave A of B or an A of 2. Then you would get a correction to that for a wave B, and then you should get another push up for a wave C. Either way, I would expect this to be some sort of an ABC of 2 or some sort of an ABC of B on the daily time frame, which is a correction to this whole 5-way pattern down on the daily. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked down here on the corner, in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I set with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.